Assalamu alaikum learners. Welcome back to another week of science here. Your today's topic is the Millennium Seed Bank. You can refer to your textbook page number 15 for this. Today is Sunday, 7th of February, and the value of the month is honesty. Honesty means the quality of speaking the truth at all times. Let's have a look at the learning outcomes. In this lesson, you will discover where seeds come from and use your observation to suggest answer to the questions. Here we go. There are your keywords. On number 1, we have seeds. Number 2, bank. Number 3, date, palm. And number 4, rice. Number 5, maize. And number 6, we have the word wheat. Let's first brainstorm. Name some seeds that you can eat. Remember, the seeds we can eat, we can also use the word edible for them. So can you recall some seeds that you can eat? You can pause the video here and take your time. Let's have a look. We can eat the seeds of sunflower, pumpkin. These are almond seeds. Here we have pistachio seeds, and these are walnut seeds. And there are many more. Look at these 3 important seeds. Can you label them? What seeds are these? These are used for making bread and lots of other important food. It starts with the letter W. Can you guess it? Right, it's the word wheat. Then we have here, what do you think? What is this? These are rice. Good job. And then, last but not the least, another important seed that's used for feeding people all around the world. These are maize or corn. They come from the corn plant. It's also used to feed animals on the farm. You can refer to your textbook page number 15, the Millennium Seed Bank. There is a seed bank in England. It stores millions of seeds from all around the world. Yes. Why they have it so? Because if in future ever a plant died out in nature means there is no more plant of that kind, then what you can do, you can take a seed of that plant from the seed bank and you could replace it by growing one plant from that seed. Isn't it amazing, learners? A seed bank. We have heard about money banks, so this is something new you have learned today, isn't it? Here, these are dates. You are quite familiar with these. Yes, the dates grow on the date palm tree. The oldest seed ever to be grown into a plant was a date palm seed from the Middle East. And it was about 2,500 years old. Whoa, that's more than a century. So, 2,500-year-old seed was grown to replace. So it still grew. Isn't that amazing? Wonderful. Yeah? This is the oldest seed ever grown. Let's talk about some health benefits. But before that, I have a question for you. Are the date seeds edible? Can we eat them? Come on, pause the video. You can think, you can take some help. Ask your parents, your siblings. Okay, let me tell you, there are lots of benefits of having the date seed powder, not the date seed itself. Of course, it won't be so easy to chew or swallow. So what do? The date palm seeds are actually crushed into the powder, and they're very beneficial. They are often used in medicines. They are good intake of calcium. That's good for our bones and teeth. and it's a rich source of folic acid. Folic acid is a source of iron that is important for our growth, our body. We can get folic acid from fruits and vegetables. And this powder also builds up your strength, your stamina, your power. So it boosts up your power. You can have it in the form of powder. So now we can say, yes, the date palm seed powder is edible, not the seed itself. And of course, you can save it to grow another date palm tree. Here we have some challenge for you. Remember, the theme of this week is student challenge. So here is your card. Challenge yourself. Put a 3-minute timer, learners, and then pause the video, pick your card and answer it within 3 minutes or less. Okay, you can pick any card and answer. Last but not the least, I will leave you with this link here. You can practice some worksheet related to plants. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care until then. Assalamu alaikum.